Okay, hello guys. So today, tulungan tamo sa pag solve sa arithmetic means gamit ang shortcut na method. So, for example, 5 blank blank 41. So, unsa man pag-solve ang a sub 2 o a sub 3 using shortcut method. So, ang imuna ni mga buhaton is kaning a sub 4 which is 41 minusan na sa a sub 1 which is 5. So the answer would be 36. Dayon ang 36 i-divide naman siya sa kung pila kalaktaw or pila ka space or terms gikan sa 41, 1, 2, 3. So i-divide naman siya sa 3. So the answer would be 12. So D is equal to 12. So, pwede rin na ito i-check karon. So, 5 plus 12, 17. So, ang a sub 2 kay 17. Then, 17 plus 12, we have 29. So, 29 siya. Then, plus 12, 41. So, ma-check yun mo kay mo musakto gid siya, mo fit gid siya nga 41 kay 29 plus 12, 41 man. So, let's have another example. So for another example, we have 12 blank blank 87. So buhaton is 87 minus 12. We have 75. Karon kay pila man kalaktaw? 1, 2, 3. So we have 75 divided by 3. So the answer is 25. Therefore, ang atong D is 25. So i-try na to. 12 plus 25. So we have 37 plus 25. So we have 62 plus 25. So we have 87. Okay, so let's have another example. Let's try this one. 6 blank 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 42. So 6 blank 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 42. So the given are a sub 1 and a sub 5. So itong pangitaon si a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. So itong buhaton is 42 minusan sa 6. So answer kay 36. So pila man kalaktaw? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. So D is equal to 9. So pwede na ito i-check. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24 plus 9, we have 33 plus 9, we have 42. Okay, so another example. Seven blank 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 67. So you try to solve this one. Solve for the a sub 2, a sub 3 and a sub 4 using the shortcut method. Okay, thanks for watching.